Alright, what is up, fellas? We are back with another video here. Want to talk about the 21 Fat Tire giveaway and or the lack of the 21 Fat Tire giveaway because we haven't had much sales at all in this past week. I don't know what I'm doing different. I don't know if this shopping cart scared you guys away or whatever. Who knows? It's in the benefit for you, not me, when the shopping cart, getting updated that way. We have new apparel. We have the new Skull t-shirts. We have the new F-Bomb t-shirts and hoodies, beanie caps, the girls sweatpants and hoodies and whatnot. I don't know. What am I doing wrong here that's different from the first one that makes me want to cancel this one right away? Because we've had a dozen sales. That's weak. That's really weak, even compared to the first one. The whole point of doing this is in order to help you guys out and get a lucky winner up and get this done, and then it covers the cost for me, all said and done, and it promotes us too, which it helps. So that's the whole purpose of me doing this. But I'm gonna end up eating it on this one. I'll never do it again for sure. The whole goal is eventually, and this is all up to you guys, is to give a bike away eventually. That would be my goal. I mean, that would be badass to give a Fat Tire 21 Fat Tire new bike away, or like a 2020 or something. Even get to the point where we would give a Big Wheel full custom, one of our crazy murdered outbuilds away, down the line in the next year or something, or a little, sooner or later. That's the goal. That was the goal if this was doing well, and this is not doing well at all. This is up to you guys. If I don't see a good running on this one, I'm definitely not going to do it away, because automatically I'm up on costs already building the new shopping cart, and then I'm offering Dirty Air Ride or an extra rear, or the rear wheel as an add-on. So now my costs are up. So if I don't break even, this is going to be really rough, and I'm done with this. Not here to cry or nothing, and in reality this is all for you guys. Like I said, it's cool. I don't know what's going on. Drop a comment below. Like I said, I mean, is there something that scared you away that's anything different other than, like I said, the shopping cart? We're giving something more away. As an update on the other bike, it's actually going to be here tomorrow. I'll record it getting off the trailer and whatnot, and then we should hopefully have that bike done in a week. He added the rear wheel to it, so Jad was actually cool enough to get the rear wheel cut right away, and it's going to be here I think Wednesday. The other cool part was the customer had actually painted his front fender and his rear fender, so he had extra paint left over, so that saves me a headache just because it's a CVO. If it was a regular paint, I wouldn't care too much. We'll do an update video on that, and that way you guys can actually see this dude won it. And like I said, he's from Cali, which is opposite of where we are. We're in the middle. But this is up to you, man. If I don't see some strong sales here, especially like I said, all the money I got out, it's not going to happen again. So share around, when you go into the shopping cart, and I'll put it this way, when you go to the shopping cart now, you'll actually check out. It'll offer to save you 5%, I think, at the end, or just, email the discount code, or you get a discount code off your order, as do the person you refer. So they'll get a discount too. So you save a little bit. Help us out here. And then anybody that's gotten our apparel and or anything else, we're able to do reviews now on there too. So drop a review. That just helps the website out too. That was the whole point of building it. First things first, we need some sales, because that was some weak ass sauce this first week. It was brutal. I said a dozen, I think 14 sales total. That's weak. And I haven't put it on YouTube, or I haven't put it on Facebook or any of that stuff yet. So I'm going to do that this week. YouTube alone, guys, you're almost 50,000 to have that's 0.000 something percent of 50,000. It's horrible. It's up to you. Stay tuned for a couple upcoming videos. This being the Fat Tire giveaway builder or winner. We're doing his bike. We'll drop that, a couple of them this week. I've got a West Coast Choppers here that we're just doing some updates on and stuff. I'd love to go crazy on it and put a big wheel and make Jesse go fucking nuts, since he hates on baggers so much because it killed his market. But we'll throw that up, and then we got some other killers. But motivate me to do these videos and give another Fat Tire away, because it ain't looking good now, and I'm fucking beat right now. It's a late night and I'm over here working and exhausted. I just figured I'd make this video to drop. So either way, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And I said it before, I'll say it again. When people say that, whether it be my channel or others, we say that purposely because that actually helps our channels. When you hit that subscribe button, it doesn't cost you anything. It actually helps our channels. It increases the subscriber count and YouTube sees it. When you drop a comment, YouTube sees it. When you like it, YouTube sees it. So it just boosts our video into the algorithm so more people see it and we get more traffic. So, any people you watch, consistently, subscribe to their channel. It can't hurt. Like I said, either way, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. All right, peace.